Now, it's not a huge secret, I'm a massive fan of Android. I've had the S23 Ultra since release, and I've recently worked with Samsung on the Flip. So why have I gone and upgraded to the iPhone 17 Pro Max? And yes, I didn't get it in orange. Now, I will say Android have one of the easiest companionships with Windows when it comes to transferring files. No one can beat that. It's simply a drag and drop feature. Where with the iPhone, I've noticed if you sync the photos from your PC to the phone, you can't delete them on the phone. And it also takes ages and puts them in random folders. So that really bugs me. So what is the main reason that I did upgrade to the iPhone 17? Well, as I mentioned, I'm working with Samsung on this Flip here. So this is a loan product. I also have the S11 Ultra tablet and I have connections with the brand. So when the S26 comes out, I can go to my contact and say, hey, I want to send back the Flip and try out the S26. Same with Honor and same with some other brands out there. I'm in a lucky enough position to be able to reach out to these brands and say, can I try your phone out? So I don't technically need the phone, if that makes sense. Where Apple have a bit of a secure kind of approach. You have to really be invited to collaborate with them. You can't just reach out and expect them to say, hey, here's an iPhone. So I thought while my upgrade is due, let's jump to the iPhone. There's amazing brands out there that have been working on certain things for the iPhone 17 that they don't actually have for a Flip or the S26 that Samsung are bringing out at the moment. So I thought to widen my horizons and go for a phone that I know I can work with some amazing brands that I've worked with either in the past or wanted to work with in the future. So that now gives me that open door. So it's all about planning in the future. It's not about what's the greatest and latest of all phones. It's who you're already working with. So I don't need to go and upgrade to a Samsung. Who am I able to get a review sample from? So again, I don't need to go and upgrade to Honor, where Apple was a little bit harder to find. So I thought I'd go upgrade to Apple and now work with some amazing brands that I've wanted to. And I did recently see that Torres have brought out a case with Gork's art, and I've been loving his stuff on YouTube for a while now. And if I can get that case sent out, that's just a bonus because right now I've got a naked iPhone 17 Pro Max.